Hi, have you thought about using Scheepjes Wanderlust double knit yarn but you've held off buying it because you're not sure what it's like? Well, in this video I'm going to do a yarn review just for you, showing you what it's like, and hopefully it'll help you making your decision whether it's going to be your next yarn for your next project. And welcome to Loopy Mabel Vintage Style Crochet. My name is Jane. If you've not been here before, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with all of my crochet designs and projects. If you love vintage style crochet, this is the perfect channel for you. So let's review. First of all, let me just say that I have nothing whatsoever to do with Scheepjes at all. This is just my own personal opinion on the yarn, and hopefully it'll help you when you're deciding whether it's the right yarn for you or for your next project. I bought this yarn on the internet, and obviously I'm based in England, so I paid roughly about £3.99 per ball, and I think that converts to roughly $5.21 if you're in the US, just to give you an idea. Each ball is 100 grams in weight and 232 meters. It's an acrylic yarn, 100% acrylic yarn, and it's a double knit weight. It's machine washable on a low temperature, and there are approximately 19 colours to choose from. So the hardest thing I would say for you is choosing which colour to go for. That's what I struggled with. It's a colour changing yarn, and it is really soft, and it's got a lovely sheen to it, and the colours are just so vibrant. I'll just try and show you the colours. Wow, they're just so gorgeous, vibrant colours. I'll take the sleeve off, and that might help a little bit better. I just absolutely love these colours. Just try and open it to show you. It is just so soft, and that silky sheen to it just makes it look like it's got silk in it, but it hasn't. It's just an acrylic yarn. It's a single ply acrylic yarn, and it's got this silky soft touch to it, and with this, as I said before, this gentle sheen, and I think the sheen just intensifies the vibrant colours, really does. It's a colour change yarn, and it's a long colour change yarn, so the colours fade gradually from one to another. Perfect for shawls, scarves, cowls, well, anything really, because it's just a beautiful yarn. And apparently the names, each colour has a name which is inspired by beautiful locations from around the world. This one is called New York, and there's lots of others with different names. For example, Hawaii, Prague, Las Vegas, Paris, Amsterdam. So they've all got lovely names for locations around the world. What do I think of this yarn? Well, I've never used it before. It's the first time I've seen it. So first impressions, the colours are amazing. I love the feel, I love the sheen, and I love the vibrant colours. I really do. That's what's really drawn me, and because this colourway is just so rustic, which is all about Loopy Mabel, vintage, rustic, muted colours of days gone by. These yarns are just perfect. Every one of them, all the shades, are all rustic vintage colours, so I probably will go through all 19 shades eventually. So I've done a little swatch here just to show you what it works up like, and you can just see the colour starting to change there, and that shine, I'm just so impressed with that lustrous shine it gives off. And I'll just show you how it crochets. Really smooth, just glides on the hook. It doesn't split, and it's just super smooth. And it's working up quite thickly. So it's got a bit of weight to it. And I think it's probably going to have quite a nice drape. Quite a lot of give to it, and it's not too rigid, works up quite soft, so I think it might have a lovely drape to it if you're going to make it into a scarf or a shawl. So let's just see what it's like if we have to pull it out, because we more often than not have to do that. I know I do. So yeah, and it's pulling out really simple. It's pulling out really easy. No problems, no snagging. Really simple to pull out. Do I think it's worth the money? Yes, I do. I know £3.99 is the top end of what I would pay for an acrylic double knit yarn, but sometimes it takes that extra special yarn for the extra special project. I'm not sure what I'm going to make with this, but it's probably going to be a shawl, I think. A shawl or a shoulder wrap, not sure. But yes, I really do like it. And I think it's going to be on one of my favourite lists. So if you've got a project and you weren't sure whether this is a yarn for you, I would highly recommend it. Only purely my own opinion, but yes, it's a gorgeous, lovely, soft, silky, vibrant colour double knit yarn. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and as I said before, don't forget to hit that subscribe bell, and then you'll be kept up to date with all of my crochet designs and projects and tutorials. If you've used this yarn and you've maybe made something with it, please leave your comments in the box below, because that'd be really useful to know what you think of it too. We do have other yarn review videos, so why not check them out too, and why not check out my latest crochet design, which is a step-by-step tutorial and full of vintage style and unique too. Until the next time though, please take care, and as always, happy crochet.